What if I told you that you could be earning rewards for things you're already doing? What if your daily routine, the boring stuff, could actually be your path to Jannah? It all comes down to one word: Niyyah. The Prophet ﷺ said, actions are but by intentions. Most people think this only applies to prayer or fasting, but the beauty of Islam is that it's a lifestyle. When you eat to gain strength to work for your family, that meal becomes sadaqah. When you smile at a stranger just to spread kindness, that's an act of worship. The difference between a routine and a reward is a 5-second pause. Before you start your day, ask yourself, why am I doing this? Don't just study to get a degree, study to benefit the ummah. Don't just go to the gym to look good, go to keep the body Allah entrusted to you healthy. You're doing the work anyway, why not get the credit for it? Here's your challenge for today. Before you start your next task, whether it's driving, cleaning, or even checking an email, pause. Say Bismillah and flip your intention. Turn your have-to-dos into want-to-dos for the sake of Allah. It changes your mindset from grinding to growing. Life is short, but our potential for reward is infinite. Don't let your days pass by as empty calories. Make them count. If this gave you a new perspective, hit that like button and let me know in the comments, what's one daily habit you're going to change your intention for today?